Pronunciation of English vowel sounds. Lesson 3. Back vowels. Part 1. Note, this is a lesson in 2 parts. Hello everyone. In this video, let's focus on back vowels. We'll practice 4 vowel sounds. They are oo, o, aw. I'll say them one more time, and this time I'll give you a key word. Oo, boot, oo, book, boat, aw, bought, aw. When I say the back vowels, what do you notice about my lips? Watch the position of my lips as I say these 4 sounds. Oo, o, aw. My lips are rounded. Now some sounds require more of a circle than others, but for all 4, my lips are generally rounded. Another thing the back vowel sounds have in common is the position of the tongue, but it can't be seen. This contrasts with how we make the front vowel sounds. If you recall from our previous lesson, when we say the front vowels, our tongue can be seen because it's pushed forward enough and this part is high enough to be seen. When we say the back vowels, our tongue pulls back. Back vowels, pulled back. The tongue is pulled back so that the highest point is the back of our tongue. The tip, though, is still slightly down and slightly touching the back of our bottom front teeth. So the position is somewhat like that. I'll say the 4 sounds one more time. Think about the position of our lips, which is generally rounded, and the position of the tongue, with the back being high. Oo, o, aw. You now know 2 things that the back vowels have in common: the position of our lips and the position of our tongue. One thing that makes each of these vowel sounds different, though, is how closed or how open our mouth needs to be. We go from being closed to being open, from high vowel to low vowel. It's easy to understand and remember this progression in this group because the final sound, aw, is the aw in jaw, jaw. And my jaw needs to lower more and more as I move from the first to the 4th vowel in this group. Watch closely and you'll see that opening as I move from the first to the last vowel sound in this group. Oo, o, aw. Again. Oo, aw. Now let's go through each vowel sound and I'll explain in detail how to produce it. Let's start with the oo sound. Oo, oo, as in boot, boot, oo. It's a very long sound. Ooh. It's also sometimes the sound we use to be scary. Ooh. Ooh. Your lips need to be rounded and they're in a tight circle. Pull your lips forward into a small tight circle. Ooh. Ooh. Boot. Ooh. Boot. Ooh. The long sound ooh can be spelled different ways. These are some of them. Now listen and repeat after me. Boot. 2. Suit. Shoe. Who. New. The next sound is o. O, as in book. Book. This is a short vowel sound. O. O. It's also more a relaxed sound. Our lips are still rounded, but it's not a tight circle, it's a relaxed circle. O. O. Watch the difference. This is long. Ooh. 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 This is short. O. 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 This is tense. The circle that we make with our lips is tight. Tense. Ooh. Ooh. This is more relaxed. O. O. Boot. Book. Book. The short can be spelled different ways. These are some of them. Now listen and repeat after me. Book. Push. Put. Should. Note the L in should is silent. Should. The next sound is O. O. O, as in boat. Boat. O. This is another long vowel sound. O. Our lips are very rounded, but it's more open. O. Think of the letter O. 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 But as we come to the end of this vowel sound, our lips become even tighter. It finishes actually with a slight oo sound. O. Do you see how my lips start larger and then pull in to a tighter circle? O. 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 Let's go through the first 3 back vowel sounds. Oo. O. We have 2 long sounds and 1 short. O. 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 Try that. O. The difference is our mouth is more open to make this sound, although towards the end you actually finish with a little oo. Again, oo. O. And we have the short O. Oo. O. Boot. Book. Boat. O. O. The long O sound can be spelled different ways. Here are some of them. Now listen and repeat after me. Boat. throw, go, note, toe, so. The last vowel sound is aw, 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 as in bought, aw, bought. I bought something. Aw. It's a short sound and a very open and rounded sound. Make your lips rounded and lower your jaw. Aw, aw, aw. Hear and see the difference between the two short vowels in this group. Aw, aw. This is a book, 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 aw, bought, aw, bought. The short sound aw can be spelled different ways. Note some of them. Now listen and repeat after me. Bought, yawn, boss, taught, gone, talk. Note the L is silent in talk. Now, I wish to make a note at this point. In a future lesson, we will be talking about the central vowels. But you should know that for many Americans, there is little difference between two vowel sounds. Little, if any, difference. It depends on the region. I can make the difference, but I have to think about it. Often, I don't make a difference. Some people drink coffee. Some people drink coffee. Coffee, coffee. Coffee. If you hear coffee, the lips are more rounded and the tongue is pushed backward more. If you hear coffee, the lips are more relaxed and the tongue may be more forward. Coffee, coffee. Listen as I read these three sentences. First, I'll read all three sentences with the aw sound. I bought it. I drink coffee. I like orange juice. Now I'll read it with ah. I bought it. I drink coffee. I like orange juice. Bought, bought. Coffee, coffee. Orange, orange. This is the end of part 1. Before you go on to part 2, please note that additional practice is available at EnglishCafe.com. Follow the direct link listed in the video description. You can have additional practice to review what we've learned so far, and then I'll see you back here for part 2.